Transform your deck from this to this. ResurFinish is a water-based acrylic coating designed primarily used to resurface or add slip resistance and protection to pool decks, wood decks, walkways, patios, driveways, porches, stairs, and ramps. ResurFinish comes in two versions. ResurFinish Pre-Tinted, PX, with cooling technology with infrared pigments that lower the surface temperature. ResurFinish, TX, Non-Pre-Tinted. Application: temperature 40 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. No rain for 24 hours. Humidity must be low. Before applying, the surface must be properly cleaned and prepared. The surface must be clean and free of dirt, grease, mildew, and organic growth. Loose paint needs to be sanded. Use a high-pressure hose or power washer to clean the surface. For smooth concrete, we recommend etching the surface with ArmorPoxy Citric Etch solution. For wood surfaces, use ArmorWood primer prior to application of ResurFinish. Be sure to tape the perimeter and mask off any areas that you do not want to be coated. Once the surface is clean and dry, you can get started. ResurFinish PX Pre-Tinted is a single component coating, so all you need to do is stir it up with a metal mixer and power drill. ResurFinish TX Non-Tinted can be field tinted by adding 1 gallon of water-based acrylic or latex floor paint to each 4-gallon pail of material. Mix thoroughly before application. Known compatible floor paints include but are not limited to the following products. ResurFinish can be applied using a brush or roller. We recommend a 3/16" mohair blend for smooth consistency. A second coat should be after the first coat after 3 to 4 hours. Apply the second coat in a cross-direction pattern from the first coat to achieve uniform coverage. ResurFinish is dry to the touch in 1 to 3 hours. After about 3 to 4 hours, it's ready for foot traffic. After about 72 hours, it's ready for vehicle traffic. Low temperature and high humidity can affect drying times. After the second coat has dried, and if you feel the texture is too rough, you can lightly sand the surface down with an 80 to 120 grit sander. This step is optional, but you can apply 1 to 2 coats of ArmorPoxy Ultra Glaze Sealer for extra protection with a 1/4 inch or 3/8 inch nap roller. Each coat will dry in 1 to 2 hours for the next coat. Additional coats can be added for a glossier finish. Doing this will extend the ResurFinish lifespan and simplify cleaning and maintenance. If you have any questions about ResurFinish, please contact ArmorPoxy today.